Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add mods into Minecraft Aternos server. Okay, first step is to head on over to aternos.org, and then from here on the bottom right hand corner we're going to go ahead and click onto play. Then from here select your server in the servers tab. Now in order to use mods you need to be running a modded server type like Forge, Fabric, NeoForge. So click on the server software on the left hand side tab. Then from here we can see the different servers, the software, and Java edition below that. Now from here go ahead and click onto Forge. Then pick your Minecraft version that matches the mods you want to install. So if you're using 1.21.9, click onto that. Now once we're here you want to go ahead and click on the install button. Now this is optional. If you're using Fabric mods, select Fabric instead. Now go ahead and click on the install button. Then on the left hand side we're going to have a new tab called mods, so click onto that. Then you should be taken aternos.org/addons. Now this is all the mods inside of there. Now basically add the same mods to your Minecraft client. So now for the mods to work properly you also need to install the same mods and the same version of Forge or even Fabric on your own Minecraft launcher. Now so basically install the Forge version that matches your Aternos server, then place all the downloaded mods into your Minecraft mods folder, and also place all the downloaded mods into your Minecraft mods folder. Then from there start your server. So once everything's set, go back to Aternos and click start. When the server loads, you and your friends can join using the same mod setup and everything should work perfectly.